GreenDropShip Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to GreenDropShip and related resources are included in the description below. GreenDropShip is a dropshipping supplier specializing in natural, organic, and specialty products, making it particularly appealing for store owners targeting the health and wellness niche. By offering access to well-known brand names and a catalog of thousands of premium items, including groceries, beauty products, and vitamins, GreenDropShip allows merchants to differentiate themselves from typical dropshipping stores that rely on generic, non-branded goods. One standout feature of GreenDropShip is its US-based warehouse, which typically leads to faster shipping times and improved customer satisfaction compared to international dropshipping models. Additionally, their integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce streamlines product importing and order fulfillment, reducing manual input and lowering the risk of overselling. Another plus is their straightforward interface for searching and adding items, complete with detailed product descriptions and images to help sellers create compelling listings. When it comes to strengths, GreenDropShip's curated product selection stands out, as it caters to the growing consumer demand for healthier, high-quality products. The ability to list well-known organic brands can help build consumer trust and potentially fetch higher profit margins. Because of the US-based inventory, shipping times are faster, which is crucial for customer satisfaction and reducing support inquiries about order delays. The platform also provides a responsive support team and various educational materials, guiding newcomers through the dropshipping process and best practices for the natural products market. However, a few weaknesses merit consideration. First, the monthly or annual membership fee might not be cost-effective for merchants who only sell a small volume of products. Second, while the US warehousing is an advantage for domestic shipping, international shoppers may face higher shipping rates or limited delivery regions. Third, GreenDropShip's product selection is more niche compared to giant marketplaces, so sellers outside the organic or natural product realm might not find it suitable. Finally, the brand recognition of high-profile products can invite competition, so strong branding and marketing efforts remain essential for standing out. Overall, GreenDropShip is an excellent choice for dropshippers aiming to offer natural, organic, and specialty products with faster US shipping times. If you're focused on premium items and willing to invest in membership fees and marketing, GreenDropShip could significantly enhance your store's credibility and help you tap into a rapidly expanding consumer segment.